Hi, my name is Jamahl Kersey and I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California. And in this video, I'll be explaining how to request early termination of probation. Probation can affect your life in a number of ways. It can affect you from getting certain jobs, from getting security clearances, or from traveling, amongst other things. Being on probation can also be a mental hurdle to getting your life back on track. There's nothing positive about admitting you're on probation. Fortunately, in California, there is a way to request early termination of probation. Technically, you can request early termination of probation anytime after you've been sentenced. However, in my experience, you generally want to wait until after you've completed at least half of your probation term before requesting termination. If you make a request any sooner, chances are high that your request is going to be denied. The decision to grant or deny a request for early termination of probation is at the discretion of the judge. Therefore, you want to present as much positive information as possible to convince the judge that the motion should be granted. You'll want to show that you completed any and all probation requirements. You've paid the fines, the fees, and restitution. You haven't had any new arrests or convictions, and you don't have any unresolved cases. You want to ideally show that you've been gainfully employed or going to school. If you've done volunteer work, that is a big plus as well, especially if you weren't ordered to do so. If there were any drugs or alcohol issues, proof of AA or NA attendance will go a long way as well. Letters of support from people who can attest to your good character and or the positive changes you've made in your life are oftentimes very persuasive. Once the documentation is gathered, a motion is filed with the court. A motion is just a request to ask the court to do something. In this situation, we're asking the judge to terminate probation early. A copy is served upon the DA's office, giving them an opportunity to respond. The court sets a hearing date and time. At the hearing, the lawyer makes an argument as to why the motion should be granted. If the judge grants the motion, probation is terminated. So there you have the basics on how to request early termination of probation. As always, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.